This is how to factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe. This is the Vortex HD55. Let's get started. We're going to volume up and power at the same time. Press, with the device powered off, hold the volume up and power at the same time. And we're going to hold for somewhere around 15 to 20 seconds. And we're waiting for the little menu in the center. There we go. Now let's follow the instructions here. Volume up to select, volume down is okay. So volume up to select, and we want recovery mode, and volume down is okay. And now we're going to wait a few more seconds, and we're going to wait for the fallen Android no command. It'll just take a few more seconds. At the fallen Android no command, now we're going to hold down power, quick touch volume up, hold down power, quick touch volume up. That brings up the Android recovery menu, and now we can scroll with volume down to wipe data factory reset. Press OK with power. One more time to confirm, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Press OK with power, factory data reset. And we'll wait here for the data wipe to be complete. Now it is safe to reboot the system. Keep in mind, if you've set up your Vortex HD55 with your Google or Gmail account, you will 100% still need your Google or Gmail account to log back in to your Vortex HD55. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.